Jordan has a lot more to offer than I first thought, and only when we thought about coming here and we looked into it, there is so much history, so much culture, you know, Roman history and culture, Greek history and culture, obviously a lot of Islamic history and everything like that. And I think we've got a lot more to explore and we'll experience great things while we're here, I'm sure.
C'est un pays qui a une richesse culturelle énorme et du coup, là juste derrière nous, il y a des ruines, il y a un temple romain, une église byzantine et une mosquée omeyyade, donc c'est passionnant.